Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering only the essentials: your model weights, config, tokenizer, and a clear README. Once done, install Hugging Face Hub and log in with your CLI token so uploads authenticate. Make sure to initialize Git LFS immediately because large files break standard Git. This prevents failed pushes later. Also create the repository on Hugging Face or via CLI, set visibility, and clone it locally. This gives you a controlled workspace and a direct path to push artifacts. You now move files into the cloned repo and follow naming conventions required by the library so auto-detection works. Once organized, either use git add /commit/push with LFS active or call push to hub from Hugging Face Hub to upload directly. Pick the method that matches CI needs. After upload, add a model card with tags, license, and example inference snippets because those inform users and enable spaces/auto hosting. Make sure metadata is accurate so deployments and docs load correctly. You finish by enabling the inference endpoint or linking the model to the Hugging Face Inference API. Choose CPU/GPU and set timeouts based on model size. Then test the live endpoint or run a local transformers pipeline with sample inputs to verify behavior. If things go wrong, immediately inspect the repository logs and endpoint errors. Make sure your token has proper scopes, model and config match, and Git LFS uploaded files successfully. One troubleshooting tip: mismatched config.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.